Well, I can tell you this, Polk County is Polk County and Grady Judd is Grady Judd. No surprises there. So you're probably not going to be surprised to find out how he reacted to this whole thing. He praised his officer for doing the right thing, for restraining herself to a certain point. But he said if he was in that situation, guess what? He would have tased this 15-year-old a whole lot sooner. So Judd says a series of events led up to what happened at the Sunset Palms Hotel last Friday. He says Xavier Jordan roughed up his 19-year-old pregnant girlfriend severely enough that Jordan's mom called the sheriff's office to come help. Judd says when Sergeant Shannon Gaylord got there, the situation was really chaotic. She tried to get Jordan in cuffs, but he was uncooperative. He pointed out that Gaylord is much smaller than Jordan, so when he threatened to punch her, not once, but 3 times, she used the taser on him.
When you beat up your girlfriend and then actively resist the sergeant, and it frightens the people at the motel to the point that they come to aid the cops, you got a situation on your hands. And that's what we had here, was a situation. And she took control of it.
Black Lives Matter says Jordan may have verbally threatened the officer, but he wasn't physically resistant when he was tased, so he shouldn't have been. Black Lives Matter also says Jordan has a developmental challenge, and the officer should have taken that into consideration and tried harder to de-escalate the situation. The sheriff's office saying no one told them that was a situation when they got the 911 call, and using the taser actually calmed things down without anyone getting hurt. Black Lives Matter is calling for an investigation, as you said, by the Department of Justice and demanding that the Polk County Sheriff's Office get body cameras. Now, that's something that the sheriff has said over and over again he is staunchly against. Something else the sheriff said, if any one of his officers finds themselves in a similar situation in the future, he expects them to do the same thing that she did. Back to you.
Standing firm on how he feels. All right, Ken, thank you.